Hello everyone, welcome back to Framework Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing I am going to illustrate our lecture number 20. I have already uploaded 19 lectures in this series and I hope you have watched them. If you haven't watched them, then please go through them so you will get an idea about this particular lecture too, as all the lectures are related to each other. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe to Framework Educational Hub. This channel includes multiple computer science and information technology courses like C, C++, Java, and many more. So if you subscribe to this channel, you will get the uploads, the latest uploads of my videos, and I upload a new video per day. So it would be much beneficial for you if you are a computer person and if you are interested in learning computer. So it would be much beneficial and helpful to you. So let's start with our lecture number 20. And as I have already discussed many things in the previous lectures included in this particular lecture, so I am going to the new content here. So here, as you can see, this is heading tag, that is heading 2, and is style background color RGB 000. So I have already discussed that what would be the values of RGB and what is the RGB mode in my previous lecture. I hope you have watched that video. So if you haven't watched that, then please watch that video also. The link you will get in the description box. So here I have given the value of RGB all 0. So here the value is all 0, and you know it very well that the attribute color, what does the attribute color means? So whenever we use a background color, it create a highlighted line, and whenever we use the color attribute color style, then it gives the text color on our screen. So let's give a heading to this particular HTML document. I recommend you to please install this particular software Atom to your systems, and if you are using Mac or you are using Windows, it could be working in any particular operating system. It's not the matter of operating system. You can install this, or if you are not willing to install this particular software, then also you should practice these codes by yourself on your own computer system by typing the code, because whenever you type the code, then it becomes much beneficial and helpful to you to understand and learn the particular phenomena how the coding is done. So it is much beneficial for you if you do these things on your own, because by watching the lecture and not practicing it by yourself, then it would be not so much worthy as if you work with me. Whenever you watch a video, then just note down the content and go through your own notebook and just type the code and try the code itself by yourself. So let's see Alliance here. Here we are going to see the RGB mode. Colors and you know the styling itself. So let's write also inline styling. So I am going to illustrate here the inline styling, that is CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, inline styling, and the RGB modes of color. So here I have illustrated this particular 000. Here the value 90 90 90. Here 128 128 128. Here 200 200 200, and here 255 255 255. So now let's run the code and see what are the outputs coming by using these particular codes on the browser. So let's check it out. As I have already told you that the variation of the codes, the RGB values give different colors whenever we require. I have already also uh, demonstrated it on the Photoshop for you to just understand the values of RGB modes. So I hope you have watched that particular video. The previous video, the video number 19, the lecture number 19 includes that demonstration of Photoshop. So if you haven't watched that video, don't miss it. So here, as you can see, the value is 000. Then 0 means it when all the value of RGB is 0, then exactly it will give the black color. And here you can see that background color is black. Color white, that is the color on the screen, that is the text color would be appearing white, because on black would not work, so we have to give this particular thing so the text is legible. Then 90 you can see the variation in the color, you can see the gray lines here, then how it is varying slightly from dark black to pure white. You can see the variation. So let's set a background color to this particular page. Let's say yellow, and you will be much, it would be much, yeah, you can see, I know it's very not so good, but the color is not so good, but you can see that how the color from black to pure white is varying by the different values. So you can learn these, you can memorize these values too. And even I always suggest to practice these codes by varying the values. Just try, think a color or see a color in front of your eye and try to keep it on the screen. So by varying the values of RGB, as I also told you and demonstrated in the previous video, that how we can vary the different values of RGB and get different colors of our choice on the screen. Okay, so I hope the concept here which I have given is clear to you. The background color, when we are giving 25, 255, 255, 255, then when all the values of RGB mode is on the highest level, that is 255, then it gives white color. When all the values of RGB, that is all the three values are at the lowest mode, that is 000, then it gives the black background color, as we are using the background. And 90 gives a slight gray color, steel gray color. And 128 also gives a light gray color. And again 200 gives this particular steel gray color. So I hope you liked the video, you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share the videos with your friends, your classmates, so it would be helpful for them also. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell so you will get the notification of my latest uploads. And if you are a subscriber of Favored Educational Hub, thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.